All right, guys, I'm 10 minutes into this project, 700 clanking away, and I'll show you what I found so far. First of all, the spark plug boot is broken and it wasn't connecting decent, so makes me think that's why it was idling a little rough. Pulled the rockers cover off. Rockers move like they should, but I found something interesting. I'm gonna fire this puppy up. Watch these two rockers and those two. These two spit out oil, these don't. I'm gonna fire this up, see if you guys can see it. Got a rag down there. Well, it's flowing out of this side, but not this side. That's kind of interesting. I think there's something with the connecting rods. I'm gonna have to do a little research on that. Any of you guys know what might cause that? Let me know. I'll keep digging into it. All right, guys, I'll let you know what I found out next.